Now our next part is, do angle 2 and 3 form a linear pair? What are linear pairs? Two adjacent angles are said to be linear pair. Means they form a linear pair when their sum is 180 degree. Means when the known common arms, these are the known common arms. This point is O, A, B, C. So you can see OA and OB are the known common arms. When the known common arms of the two adjacent angles form a straight line, when they form a straight line, their sum will be 180 degree. Then these adjacent angles are called linear pair. Means they form a linear pair. Means sum of angle AOC plus BOC is 180 degree. So they are linear pair. If the non-common arms of the adjacent angle form a straight line, are on the line, that adjacent angles form a linear pair. And the sum of the angles of a linear pair is always 180 degree because it is a straight line, straight angle. And you know very well, the straight angle is of 180 degree. Now we will check whether angle 2 and 3 form a linear pair or not. First check whether they are adjacent or not. You can see they are adjacent because they have common vertex, angle 2 and 3, like this. This is angle 3 and this is angle 2. D, O, B, C. Okay. Now common vertex, common arm and non-common arm are on the opposite sides. They are adjacent. But the non-common arms do not form a line, are not forming a line. So that's why angle 2 and 3 do not form a linear pair. Is that clear? So what will you write? Angle 2 and angle 3 do not form a linear pair because non-common arms do not form a line. Means their sum is not equal to 180 degree. That's why angle 2 and 3 are not linear pair. Clear? Now next part is angle 3 vertically opposite to angle 5? Now first, what are the vertically opposite angles? The angles formed by intersecting lines. You can see the four angles formed by intersecting lines and the opposite angles are called vertically opposite angles. Means angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 2. Angle 3 is vertically opposite to angle 4. And both pairs are equal. Means angle 1 is equal to 2 and angle 3 is equal to 4. We have seen in previous modules. Okay. So now we will check whether angle 3 and 5 are vertically opposite angles or not. Now first we will draw angle 3 and 5. This is angle 3 and this one is angle 5. Like this. This point is C, D, A and this point is E. Now see. Angle 3 and 5. Angle 3 is like angle COD and 5 is AOE. These two angles are formed by three lines. OD, OC, OE, OA. These two lines are DA and CE. CE is not a line. You can see. Means these are not formed by intersecting lines. So that's why angle 3 and 5 are not vertically opposite angles. When two lines meet at a point, then they are called intersecting. When more than 3 lines meet at a point, they are called concurrent lines. Now here 1, 2 and 3. 3 lines meet at a point. So that's why they are concurrent, not intersecting. The intersecting word we use for two lines, and the vertical opposite angles are formed by intersecting lines. So that's why angle 3 and 5 are not vertically opposite angle. Angle 3 and angle 5 are not vertically opposite